Hello friends. In the previous videos already we have discussed about the whereabout of matrices and also different type of matrices. Today our topic is the addition of matrices. That means we have to add the matrices. Suppose two matrices are A and B. Two matrices A and B are said to be conformable for addition if they have the same order. Just remember, they have to be in the same order. That means the matrices have the same number of rows and columns. Suppose A is equal to Aij and its order is Mn. And B is equal to the Bij have the same order M and N. Then their summation A plus B is the matrix. That one, suppose we are giving the name as C. Then Cij Mn, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij, where I is equal to 1 to M and J is equal to 1 to N. Just look at the thing. Whatever the matrices we are giving for addition, that means A and B, if they have the order M cross N, then the resultant matrix after addition, that means A plus B, whichever has been given the name as C, is also would be the in same order M cross N. So before we go to the another theory, just do the addition of the matrices using example at first. Suppose we have a matrix that is A and which is 2 5 according to the row 2 5 minus 1 3. So it has the order 2 cross 2 because it has 2 rows and 2 columns. And another matrix that is B. According to the row, the elements are 1 4 and 3 7. So it has the order that is 2 cross 2. As the two matrices have the same order, then we can proceed for the addition of the two matrices A and B. That means, suppose we have a matrix that has the order 2 cross 3. And B is another matrix which has the order that is 3 cross 2. Then the A plus B, that means the addition of the two matrix A and B is not possible because the A's order, the matrix A order is 2 cross 3 and the order of matrix B is 3 cross 2. That means both are different. So we cannot proceed with the addition of A and B. Suppose another matrix that is has the order A is equal to 3 cross 4 and another matrix B, it has the order that is 4 cross 3. As the order of the two matrices are different, so A plus B is not possible. Suppose another matrix A which has the order 3 cross 3 and B another matrix which has the order that is 3 cross 3. That means at that moment A plus B is possible because A has the order 3 cross 3 and B also has the order 3 cross 3. So in that way we can proceed for the addition of matrices if the two matrices have the same order. As usual, here A is the order 2 cross 2 and B has the order 2 cross 2. So A plus B is possible. Now the addition. Just look at the corresponding elements. Suppose that one is A11, that one A12, that one is A21 and that one is A22. And according to the matrix of B, that one is B11, that one is B12, that one is B21 and for 7 that is B22. Now look at the positions of the corresponding elements. That means the after addition we have to proceed in that way. A11 plus B11, That means it is possible only when the corresponding position of the elements are same. So it is possible that for 2 plus 1. Now for the second one, when that is A12, we can add the same positional element for B, that is B12. That means 5 plus 4. So that is 5 plus 4. Then minus 1, the positional of the element is A21, and here that is B21. So it is possible for minus 1 plus 3. And then 3 plus 7 as the same positional condition for the elements A22 and B22. So 3 plus 7. So the final result is, after the A plus B or the addition of the elements, 2 plus 1 that is 3, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2, and 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Just look at the resultant matrix. The matrix has also the same order, that is 2 cross 2, same as for A or B. Now we are looking into another example. Now in the second example, we have three matrices. The first one matrix is the A, which has the order 3 cross 3. The second matrix is the B, which has the order 3 cross 3. And the third one matrix has the name M, has the order 2 cross 2. So at first we are proceeding with the addition of A and B. As A and B both have the same order, that means 3 cross 3, so we can proceed with the addition of A and B. That means the A plus B according to the corresponding position of the elements. That one is A11, that one is A12, that one is A13. So for the matrix B, that one 3 is the B11, that one is the B12, and that one is the B13. So we can add the corresponding positional elements, and that one is minus 1 with 3. So the result here for the first one element, that is minus 1 plus 3. For the second, that is 2 plus minus 1, 2 plus minus 1. In that way, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 1, minus 3 plus 0, 1 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 1 plus minus 1, and minus 2 plus 0. Now look at the thing. The resultant matrix is once again are of the same order, that is 3 cross 3. Now after addition of the elements, we get the result as 2, 1, 5, 3, minus 3, 4, 5, 0, minus 2. And as usual, they have the same. Suppose if we are writing it as a name of C, then the element 2 is particularly C11. The 1 is C12. The 5 is C13. In that way. Now look at the other two matrices. Suppose we want to add matrix A with matrix B. Now matrix A has the order that is 3 cross 3, but matrix B has the order that is 2 cross 2. As the two matrices have different order, so we cannot proceed with the addition of A and M. That means A plus M is not possible. Just one more thing. Suppose we can add minus 1 with 5. We can add 2 with 2. But what to add with 3? Because no third column is given here. Same as here, the third row is present, but we cannot add the corresponding third row here because the third row is missing here. So it is impossible to add two matrices of different order. For the addition of two matrices or more than two matrices, the matrices have to be into the same order. here according to the theory, just the same thing is written here. Suppose A, and we have written A11, A12, A13. So that is a matrix of order 3 cross 3, and that is also a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So we can proceed with the addition, and as usual, A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A13 plus B13. In the same way, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, A23 plus B23, A31 plus B31, A32 plus B32, and A33 plus B33. And also the resultant matrix is of the same order as like the other matrices whose addition are here we are doing. Now suppose we have two matrices A and B, and both are of order m cross n, and C and D are scalars. Scalars means some number, some integer value. Then the following results are obvious. Suppose we are adding two matrices A and B, and after that we are multiplying it with a scalar, that is C. So the result must be same as C into A plus C into B. That means suppose we have a matrix A, that is 2 5 3 1, and B 3 2 0 7. Here particularly the C has been taken as 5 as for the scalar. So what is written here? 5 into A plus B is same as 5 into A plus 5 into B. So that one is the first property, that C into, where C is a scalar, A and B are matrices, so C into A plus B is equal to CA plus CB. Next is the, at first we are doing the addition of the scalar, then only one matrix is multiplied. That means C plus D into A. Now we can distribute it like that, C into A plus D into A. Here suppose A is the matrix which is 2 5 3 1, and 5 and 3 are the scalars. So we may write it in that way, 5 plus 3, which one is C, which one is D, and that one is A. So C into A plus D into A, that means 5 into 2 5 3 1 plus 3 into 2 5 3 1. In that way we can proceed with the addition of two or more than two matrices.